Let him the fuck in. What the fuck is your problem?
And all the glitz and the glam and the fashion and all the pandemonium and all the madness that comes to this dance.
Are you fucking kidding me? I like that turn signal, Suburban. You fucked. Going to the country club. Don't you fucking do it. Don't you fucking do it. Okay, you fucking retard. Hello.
I will survive.
Are you fucking retarded? You're in the intersection. You're supposed to fucking go. What the hell are you doing? You're driving in the fucking bike lane, you fucking retarded.
At Plato's Closet, we're looking to dramatically expand our selection of athletic wear. We're looking for popular, gently used name brands such as Adidas, Pink,
Bye-bye, you stupid ass. Oh, you fucking dumb bitch. Not even a turn signal, nothing. The fuck was that?
With 12 area locations throughout Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana, visit online.
You're literally fucking retarded.